Light for Blind brings English Braille contraction chart for you. Remember, Braille is a system internationally used as a method of reading and writing for blind people. This recording is specially for visually impaired people, but the sighted person who are interested in learning Braille system can also benefit from it. This Braille chart has been recorded in the voice of Suleiman Ahmed Bandesha, and it is the product of Light for Blind. Please, if you like this video, share it with others and let us know of your opinions in the comment section. Thank you.
First of all, we read single letter abbreviations. B for but, C for can, D for do, E for every, F for from, G for go, H have, J just, K knowledge, L like, M more, N not, P people, PEOPLE, Q quite, QUITE, R rather, S so, T that, U us, V very, W will, WILL, X it, Y you, Z as. Contractions with dots. 1 2 3 4 6 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 for FOR. 1 2 3 5 6 of OF. 2 3 4 6 the. 2 3 4 5 6 with. 1 4 6 SH or shall. 1 6 CH or child. 1 2 6 GH. 1 2 4 6 ED. 1 5 6 WH. 1 2 4 5 6 ER. 1 2 5 6 OU or out. 3 4 ST or still. 3 4 5 AR. 3 4 6 ING. 3 4 5 6 BLE or numeral sign. 3 5 IN in. 2 6 EN. 2 3 5 6 WER or double G. 2 6 enough. ENOUGH enough. Dot 2 EA. Dot 25 CON or double C. 256 DIS or double D. 235 TO2 or double F. 236 his. 356 was or by BY. 36 COM. Dot 3 apostrophe. 1456 this THIS. 156 which WHICH. 1256 out. Next topic, punctuations. Dot 3 apostrophe. Dot 2 comma. Dot 25 colon. Dot 36 hyphen. Dot 23 semicolon. Dot dash. Dot 256 full stop. Dot 2356 open and close brackets. Dot 236 question mark or inverted commas begin. 356 inverted commas close. Dot 345 sign of poetry. Contractions with dot 5. Dot 5 and D, day. Dot 5 and E, ever. Dot 5 and F, father. Dot 5 and G, God. Dot 5 and H, here. Dot 5 and K, no. K-N-O-W. Dot 5 and L, Lord. Dot 5 and M, mother. Dot 5 and N, name. Dot 5 and O, one. Dot 5 and P, part. Dot 5 and Q, question. Dot 5 and R, right. R-I-G-H-T. Dot 5 and S, sum. Dot 5 and T, time. Dot 5 and U, under. Dot 5 and W, work. Dot 5 and Y, young. Dot 5 and 2, 3, 4, 6. There, T-H-E-R-E. Dot 5 and 1, 6. Character, C-H-A-R-A-C-T-O-R. Dot 5 and 1, 4, 5, 6. Through, T-H-R-O-U-G-H. Dot 5 and 1, 5, 6. Where, W-H-E-R-E. Dot 5 and 1, 2, 5, 6. Ought, O-U-G-H-T. Contractions with dots 4, 5. Dot 4, 5 and U, upon. Dot 4, 5 and W, word, W-O-R-D. Dot 4, 5 and 2, 3, 4, 6. These, T-H-E-S-E. Dot 4, 5 and 1, 4, 5, 6. Those. Dot 4, 5 and 1, 5, 6. Whose, W-H-O-S-E. Contractions with dots 4, 5, 6. Dots 4, 5, 6 and C. Can't or cannot. Dot 4, 5, 6 H. Had. Dot 4, 5, 6 M. Many. Dots 4, 5, 6 S. Spirit. S-P-I-R-I-T. Dots 4, 5, 6 W. World. W-O-R-L-D. Dot 4, 5, 6 2, 3, 4, 6. There. T-H-E-I-R. Contractions with dots 4, 6. Dot 4, 6 D. O-U-N-D. Dots 4, 6 and E. A-N-C-E. Dots 4, 6 and N. S-I-O-N. Dot 4, 6 and S. L-E-S-S. Dot 4, 6 and T. O-U-N-T. Contractions with dots 5, 6. 5, 6 and E. E-N-C-E. 5, 6 and G. O-N-G. 5, 6 and L. F-U-L. 5, 6 and N. T-I-O-N. 5, 6 and N. T-I-O-N. 5, 6 and S. N-E-S-S. 5, 6 and T. M-E-N-T. 5, 6 and Y. I-T-Y. Contractions with dot 6. Dot 6 and N. A-T-I-O-N. Dot 6 and Y. A-L-L-Y. Two letter abbreviations. A-B, about. A-F, after. A-G, again. A-L, also. A-C, according. B-L, blind. C-D, could. W-D, would. E-I, either. 1, 4, 6 and D, should. G-D, good. Double L, little. L-R, latter. H-M, him. P-D, paid. Q-K, quick. S-D, said. T-D, today. T-M, tomorrow. T-N, tonight. X-F, itself. U-R, your. 1, 2, 5, 6 and R, our. 3 letter abbreviations. ABV, above. ACR, across. AFN, afternoon. AFW, afterwards. ALM, almost. ALR, already. AL 1456. Although, ALT altogether, ALW always, BRL braille, DCV deceive, DEC EIVE, DCL declare, DECLARE, GRT great, IMM immediate, IMMEDIATE, NEC necessary, NECESSARY, P 12456 and H perhaps, O.3 and C o'clock, RCV receive, RECEIVE, RJC rejoice, TGR together, MYF myself, URF yourself, 1256 RVS ourselves, HMF himself, H 12456 F herself, NEI neither. 4-letter abbreviations. PRCV perceive, PERCEIVE, RCVG receiving, DCLG declaring, RJCG rejoicing, 1256 RVS ourselves, 2346 MVS themselves, YRVS yourselves. Audio contractions and abbreviations. 23 and C because, 23L below, 23F before, 23H behind, 23N beneath, 23S beside, 23SS besides, 23T between, 23Y beyond, 16 and N children, F and 3 4 first, 16 and N children, M and 16 much.
इसके साथ ही इंग्लिश कंट्रैक्शन चार्ट अपने इख्तिताम को पहुंचा।